Welcome to our latest video. Today we're going to explore the top DJI drones for 2023. From high-speed adrenaline machines to cinematic masterpieces, from lightweight marvels to accessible all-rounders, there's a drone here for everyone. So buckle up and let's take to the skies. All product links can be found in the description below. Let's dive in. DJI Avata. Behold the DJI Avata, an FPV drone archetype that grants you the privilege to gaze upon the world through the lens of a pair of VR goggles, not merely on the limited panorama of a smartphone screen. Adorned with a nose-anchored visual recorder, a movement-sensitive controller, and the ability to dart across the skies at a pulse-quickening 30 miles per hour in sport mode, the Avata beckons the adrenaline enthusiasts. Furthermore, it comes equipped with built-in propeller protectors, assuring its aerial resilience against minor mishaps, and sensors located beneath its body to facilitate low-altitude ventures. But that's not all. For those inclined towards a more deliberate approach, the Avata permits CineWhoop-style prolonged footage, offering a stage for your inner 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 or 𝐬𝐿's to command. Crafted to accommodate those who seek the thrill of speedy, low-hovering, intricately orchestrated cinematography, the Avata provides a platform to tap into your creative potential. Venture skyward with the Avata and one may notice a minor tremor in the camera feed, absent in its cinematic counterparts. However, this only enriches the footage, enabling the viewer to experience the kinetic feeling of movement. Its accessibility is such that even novices find it effortless to control and navigate. Yet seasoned flyers have the option of switching to a dual-stick controller for unaided high-speed exploration at 60 mph. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Housed within the sturdy hull of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a sizable 4/3 format sensor couples with a Hasselblad color profile, gifting unparalleled footage and visuals right from the device's heart. Comprehensive obstacle detectors empower the flying machine to nimbly circumvent any impediments, while an intrinsic GPS bolsters its unwavering hold in the ether. Flight durations clocking in at a verified 35 minutes imbue enhanced safety to each airborne journey. The Mavic 3 Pro emerges as an impeccable choice for movie makers, independent film artisans, video diarists, and a plethora of other inventive personas. While its weight necessitates FAA enrollment and the operation of it for remunerated ventures demands a licensed pilot, its portability ensures smooth transitions during location shifts. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S boasts a potent and capacious Type 1 sensor, also known as a 1-inch sensor, dwarfing its diminutive DJI Mini series siblings in the realm of 20 MP still photography. It lavishes its users with the power to capture riveting video content, offering modes such as 5, 4K 30 and 4K 60 in a myriad of profiles, HDR, flat, and standard. Furthermore, it generously offers the liberty to select between RAW or JPG formats for still images. It comes well equipped with GPS location technology, a plethora of obstacle sensors, and even an ADS-B to sound an alert when there are manned aircraft in the vicinity. It's also capable of an impressive half-hour of airborne time, courtesy of its long-lasting battery. The Air 2S has firmly positioned itself as an enticing choice for those who are primarily still image enthusiasts. Its Type 1 sensor, while perhaps not boasting the most pixels when juxtaposed with quad-Bayer chips, compensates by offering a superior dynamic range. This provision allows photographers an increased margin of flexibility when it comes to exposure edits. Videography professionals will also likely be seduced by the luscious 5, 4K resolution and the trio of profile options. Nonetheless, those seeking a tool for more heavy-duty cinematic tasks may find the Mavic 3 to be a better fit. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Heralded as the zenith of featherweight drone technology, the DJI Mini 3 Pro stands peerless in its category. The trifling takeoff weight of 249 g, inclusive of a 34-minute battery, tactically circumvents FAA registration. However, those unfazed by bureaucratic paperwork and nominal tariffs may elect to augment their device with an extended life battery, thereby stretching their flight duration past the 45-minute mark. The drone's compendium of attributes boasts tri-directional obstacle sensors, programmed flight trajectories, and vivid 4K 60 video capture. Of particular merit is the ingenious APS function, a self-guiding system adroit in traversing labyrinthine topographies without the need for human input, proving particularly adroit in low-altitude maneuvers. For those who've appraised the Mini 3 and yearned for more expansive capabilities, the Mini 3 Pro serves as a judicious elevation. Drone aficionados, cinematic artists seeking a secondary airborne vantage point, and digital creators willing to invest a tad more for discerning obstacle detection will discover the Mini 3 Pro a valuable enhancement. Its compatibility with vertical 9:16 video also renders it an enticing asset for TikTok influencers. DJI Mini 2 SE. In the realm of accessible, high-performance aerial crafts, the DJI Mini 2 SE reigns supreme. It comes equipped with a precision-stabilized camera boasting two 7K video capabilities, in addition to its adeptness in capturing still images at a crisp 12MP resolution. Incorporating innovative technologies such as GPS and a Find My Drone function, the convenience offered is unmatched. Its surprisingly light 249g takeoff weight exempts you from the tedious process of FAA registration, with only a straightforward online examination standing in your way to the sky. The Mini 2 SE has endeared itself to us with its commendable endurance, persisting in the air for close to half an hour, and an unwavering performance at its zenith altitude of 400 feet. It forges a dependable link with the obligatory smartphone app, enhancing its user-friendly experience. Nevertheless, we do harbor a twinge of regret regarding the drone's lack of obstacle detection sensors, a feature we wish DJI had seen fit to incorporate. But these are minor hiccups in an otherwise spectacular package. If you're navigating the initial stages of drone operations and are in pursuit of pristine, buttery smooth 7K 30 aerial footage, the Mini 2 SE emerges as the obvious choice. For the photography enthusiasts with a proclivity towards editing, it obliges with raw format imaging capabilities. Therefore, without resorting to oft-repeated phrases or common words, the DJI Mini 2 SE establishes itself as an enticing choice for beginners and pros alike, blending superior functionalities with an attractive price tag, making it a paramount player in the drone industry. That's it for our review of the top DJI drones for 2023. For more details, don't forget to check the links in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Fly safe!